Hi, I'm Abhinav and I work as a BMS algorithm development engineer and a cell testing and characterization engineer at Decibels Lab. In order to estimate a lithium-ion cell's state of health over its lifetime, here at Decibels we have conducted a cyclic aging test on 4 18650 format lithium-ion cell which is of NMC chemistry. So, by utilizing the Neware machine, that is a Neware Cell Cycling machine, we have been able to perform up to 500 cycles of cell aging on these type of cells. Here you can see on the screen that there is a profile provided which shows how the cyclic aging is conducted. So it starts with charging the cell to its maximum available capacity, then followed by a rest time of up to 1 hour, and then followed by a discharge of up to till such time the cell achieves minimum capacity. So it is from this cyclic aging test that we can find out how its capacity and also how its resistance goes on changing with respect to time. So after having completed this cyclic aging at every certain intervals, for example every 100 cycles, we are able to measure the cell's change in performance. Say for example we conduct a capacity test and also we conduct a pulse power characterization test which are called as reference performance tests. We are able to analyze the degradation in capacity every cyclic interval and also the change in cell's resistance every cyclic interval. You can see these graphs respectively on the screen. So the first graph shows you how the cell's charging graph and the discharging graph looks like and how it changes with respect to time and also with respect to C rate. Apart from this, we are also able to observe the profile of pulse power characterization test which provides you instantaneous voltage response, and from this we get the internal resistance of the cell. Naturally, over the cycle time, both these tests will start to show how the two parameters, that is capacity and resistance, goes on changing. So capacity goes on degrading, or you can say it goes on reducing, and the internal resistance goes on rising. So these two tests together give an idea on how the state of health of the cell can be estimated with respect to the cycle life and with respect to age of the cell. So with this data, that is the capacity data and the cyclic aging data and also the pulse power characterization data, you are able to develop algorithms and cell models which can give you accurate and simple estimates of state of health of a battery pack in real time. The cyclic aging tests, that is the static capacity test and the pulse power characterization test data, is available for download utilizing the link provided in the video description. Once you have downloaded this, you can generate MATLAB codes and Simulink models to estimate the state of charge and also the state of health of the cell. You can go for simulating the cell in different environments and see how the cell degrades and how also the SOH is estimated and also measure its accuracy in real-time environments.